Hello, welcome to this overview of the Business Evaluation Workshop contained within ESS BIZTOOLS. The material has been written on the basis of analysing a business to ensure its survival. The material is supplied in an Excel workbook which is linked to an article we have prepared called Survival in Difficult Times for SMEs. Survival is an ongoing challenge to many businesses in Australia, and this spreadsheet and article will assist you to be able to have a conversation with your client to assist them in understanding the problem areas within their business. There is also an article included, How Well Do You Know Your Client? And this is a checklist to assist you to undertake a review of your client's business. At the end, there is an action plan which will assist you to document the key matters that have been identified as part of this in-depth review of your client's performance. In total, there are 41 separate questions with subsections within the Excel spreadsheet and the associated article. If you have any questions on any aspect of how you can utilise the Business Evaluation Workshop within your business, please don't hesitate to contact us. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.